All right, so this is our leather sectional, and we have had this for about 2 or 3 years now. And for the first couple of years, we kept the dogs off of it and didn't let anybody eat on it. And for the past year or so, we've gotten a little more lax. The dogs hang out up here, and admittedly, the kids eat some snacks up here. So it's started to show a little more wear, especially because of the dogs. And today we're going to be refreshing it using some leather oil, which I tried out last night because we had a little spill and I decided to try it. I've had it a long time. You can see it's been in my cabinet, but it kind of leaked when it was in the mail. So that's why the label's all messed up. But this is the Otter Wax Leather Oil. And this is what is recommended if you look up on Article's website, what they recommend. So that's why I got that specific product. And the instructions are pretty simple. You just use a lint-free cloth. You don't want to put the leather oil directly on the leather, but you want to put it on a cloth first. So I'm just using this. It's kind of like a microfiber cloth. I'm using this, and then I'm rubbing in a circular motion. So you can see here, I haven't done it yet. You can see here the dogs are just, scratching away. But I'm hoping this leather oil kind of refreshes everything. This leather couch is made to last, and I'm fine with the natural patina. And it is really good for dogs because all of that hair that you see up there just brushes off, or it can be vacuumed off. So that's why I still love the couch, even though it's showing a little bit more wear than I would like it to. But I'm hoping this leather oil will help take care of that. So we are going to get it cleaned up today. And here's the one who's responsible for the most part. Do you like sitting on that couch? Yeah. Are you guilty? This one likes sitting on the couch too, but that's his favorite spot. As long as he has, this chair usually is over there a little closer. We're kind of moving some furniture around with this renovation we're working on, but he likes to be able to see out that window, as you can see. He likes to stand guard, and this one just likes to sleep all day. Huh? Did you ruin my couch? So I'm finally done vacuuming. That took a while. But you can see there, it looks so much better. All of that dog hair and the crumbs is off of the surface. And then I also did the underside of all of the cushions. So now I am ready to start working on the leather oil. I am going to start with the main structure of the couch first and then move on to each cushion. done on the outside of this sectional structure. So you can see I've done this panel and then the entire back side, and I can already tell it's a lot more shiny and just looks more new than it was before I did it. You can see there's some shine to it, and it just looks kind of like a new couch. So I'm going to keep working away. One thing I did want to mention is I'm using some baby wipes, just regular, just water fragrance free wipes, to wipe off anything that I notice on the leather before I oil it. So I found that if I leave it, the leather oil itself is not a cleaner. So you want to clean off anything that's stuck to the leather first, and baby wipes will work well for that. So this is a piece, this is a cushion that has not been done yet. So you can see there, it's lost a lot of its shine. There's a couple little marks here and there. And this is similar sized cushion that I just finished. So I thought I could kind of put them side by side, so you can see the difference, the oiled one versus the non-oiled. So you can get kind of a first look of a before and after. All right, so we're all done. I ended up waiting a day because it took me so long. It ended up getting dark, and so I lost all my light. So this is the couch I refreshed yesterday. You can see it's looking a lot better. There's one little spot back here. I think it soaked in a bunch of the oil on this little spot that had been scratched, and it looks a lot better. But I think I could probably do one more coat of oil on both of these just to get some of that dullness to be kind of shined up a bit. But you can see it's looking a lot better. It's much more clean, looks refreshed and a little new. It's got some shine to it, but it's not perfect. And that's why I love these leather couches, because they do just have like a natural patina that will get like this over time. And if you're considering a couch like this, you have to be okay with that, especially if you've got dogs and kids. But I'm loving the way it looks now. It looks a lot more refreshed, and I'm super happy with that oil. It did take a lot of time though. I worked on it for a couple hours. So just so you know, the time investment is real, especially since I was vacuuming out all the inside, which was disgusting, as you saw. But overall, I am super impressed with that product, and I'll be using it again in the future. Let me know if you guys have any questions about this. Just pop them in the comments below, and I'll be happy to answer them. All right. Hope you guys have a good rest of your day.